In this video, I want to talk about trigonometry at ordinary level maths. So trigonometry at Leaving Cert ordinary level. Trigonometry, if you break down the word, it's the geometry of triangles. So trigonometry is all about triangles and the geometry of the triangles. You may recall from junior cert, it's things like sine, cosine and tan of a triangle of angles and working out their sides and things like that. So it's the trigonometry is the geometry of triangles. In your course for Leaving Cert, you can break the course into two sections. There's trigonometry, or sometimes called trig, for right-angled triangles, right-angled triangles. This is concerning triangles that have a 90-degree angle, a right angle in them. And then there's trigonometry for non-right angled triangles. And as you've guessed, this is triangles that don't have a right angle. And all in all, you learn how to deal with the two types of triangles and how to work out maybe missing sides or angles. Here's a little bubble showing the course in general. For ordinary level trigonometry, we start off teaching students how to do Pythagoras' theorem for right angle triangles. Then we move on to sine, cos and tan, sometimes referred to as SOHCAHTOA. Talk about that later. So ratios of angles and their sides. Then we go on to a thing called a sine rule for non-right angle triangles. That's Leaving Cert only. Cosine rule, Leaving Cert only. It's a rule or a formula using cosines for non-right angle triangles. And then we also talk about the area of a triangle formula using trigonometry. And throughout this whole process, we're constantly solving problems. So solving problems with triangles is usually involves having triangles that have either a side that you don't know the measurement of or an angle that you don't know the size of. And your job is to use maths to calculate the side, the length of the side, or to calculate an angle that's missing. Trigonometry is a very useful topic, and it can be used for all sorts of problem solving in exams and in maths and other branches of education that use maths, from physics to woodwork to metalwork to lots of places. So that's just an introduction.